Hi, this is Chandana pursuing BTech, first year, second year BTech in Kalsingam Academy of Research Education. I'm from MEC department. Today I want to discuss about Meesho app. Many members don't know Meesho app, so I want to introduce that app. We can go to Play Store. Here is the Meesho. We can type Meesho. Yes, here is the Meesho app. I'm already downloaded that app. So here is a 4.3 rating. 4.3 rating. Here reviews also is there. Very nice app, but one of my request is that customer chooses the color of the item, so that the same color. Here is the 4.3 rating is there. So we have to enter that 10 million plus downloads is there, and very interested app. We can't get bored, so that we go to Meesho app. Meesho is an Indian origin social commerce platform founded by IIT Delhi graduates. It enables small businesses and individuals to start their online stores via social channels such as WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, etc. Meesho is known as resell work from home, earn from online. Today I want to discuss how to earn from Meesho app. It is very interesting app. Here is it to any item we can buy from Meesho app, like any item from cheap cost. Here is the sarees, fridge covers, any item we can earn with Meesho by selling fashion and lifestyle products on WhatsApp and Facebook. The moment you open the app, you see a huge collection of quality products sourced from the best suppliers in business. Select a product that your network would like and share it individually with your WhatsApp contacts, like this. First we have to select one item and share. Now share now. The images, all images will send to our WhatsApp friends, family members, etc. We can share one of my friend. Yes, here is the so many images. For so many images, here is the best benefit is that they can't know prize money, so we can say how we can say our prize money. If Meesho contain, I will show. If Meesho contain how much prize money, 145, but we can say 345, like that. We can earn money, so we can earn money in this app, so that we say like that. We can get cheap in cost in this Meesho app. Select a product that your network would like and share it individually with your WhatsApp contacts. You can also share the products on Facebook, Face page, Face groups, etc. If you place a code order, your request will make the payment to our logistic partner. Meesho will receive the payment and transfer your marketing to your bank account within 10 working days. If you make online payment, please collect final amount. Like that, Meesho app helps us. So that here is a 4.3 rating. Suppose we can first we have to go to account and give your bank details and referend in. Here is a one YouTube request also. You can see that Meesho apps helps us to earn money and to buy products in cheap in cost, so that many members use Meesho app for their benefit. Meesho produces many advantages like home needs in cheap in cost, so that many people can use Meesho app. This Meesho app can collect many items with more quality, so that Meesho app review is also 10 million people, so that Meesho financially security is something that everybody strives for. We always look forward for the day when we grow up and start earning money to support ourselves, so that Meesho app can produce many things like that. If we go to one item, I will go in one item. You can type here whichever you want, like sarees, tops, anything, night dresses, earrings, study tables. We can go to study tables. I can study tables for kids. Yes, study tables for kids. Here is the study tables. Yeah, study tables and so many things we can earn from Meesho app, so that we can gain money and we can earn money. from this Meesho app. Meesho app want to make selling through WhatsApp more efficient and less. Meesho is a Shopify for mobile that targets that many thousands business in India using WhatsApp, but suffer for its lack of advanced features. Messaging services like Line, WeChat, and even Facebook Messenger have become platforms that let business users get dedicated usernames and accounts, manage group chats. Prior that businesses tapping into its popularity, they had to literally key in all updates on a phone. They does not scale when dealing with hundreds of potential customers. The problem is particularly acute in India, where WhatsApp is estimated to have over 100 million users. As the country's most popular app, WhatsApp is unparalleled as a distribution channel for selling online and retaining customers despite being largely ill suited to the role. That's where Meesho, a startup in Y Combinator's latest batch, is hoping to change things and empower WhatsApp sellers. Small businesses in India use WhatsApp groups a lot, posting details of their product daily and then using cash or bank transfer to collect payment, explained, so that we can go for Meesho in the process. Okay, first we have to go to yes, we have to buy this one 390. Okay, here is the free size also we want, whatever we size want, that much size they provide. For that, suppose I have to add it to cart. Okay, size free, size 1. Okay, continue. You want Discord add products? Yes. Okay, this product is added to cart. We can show here is the many options for payment method online, like debit card, credit card, net banking, UPI, cash on delivery, payment, phone pay, etc. For this, we have to any type of payment we can use in this Meesho app. But in other like Flipkart, Amazon, there no chance for to payment like cash on delivery. And here main benefit is any product we can choose, there is no shipping price. Any item we can get in free shipping. So Meesho climbs over 1,000 businesses on its platform right now, but it's not mentioning its service at this point. Meesho will take a commission from sales it helps facilitate. That again ties back to a reluctance to spend on the marketing side. We had raised before YC, so we have money at a set. If something good comes our way, that's fine, but it's not like we need to rise. So that Meesho apps become one of the favorite app to whole the world, which can use many of the people. So that Meesho app helps us in many. Here is you can see how much and we can choose best quality also. Here is here rating also 3.8 rating, some reviews different color, otherwise good product something is there. But this product is used for many properties, like anything we want, anything like study tables, kurtas, fridge, suppose fridge covers, we have fridge covers for cheap cost. We can use this Meesho app for wherever we go and work from online also. We can sit in our home and make these things for our friends. Suppose we like this, we can share, download, we can post these pictures for Facebook also, so that they can't know our price money, but they choose the quality and color whatever they like, so that we can bargain money from Meesho. This is the best quality for me, best advantage in Meesho app. Here is you can show this. I will show Meesho app. 1 crore resellers across in India. First, we have to learn to earn with Meesho. Add a product you like to cart. Place your trial order. 3 steps to start your business. First on this first price, I will show. On this first price, first order discount also applied. 153, actually 381 this price, and 156 they can give for and free shipping charges, so that we can trust the Meesho app for any of the functions we can buy in this Meesho app. So that it is very useful in our daily life for human beings, so that use Meesho and get some knowledge for this and bargain money and do business in this Meesho app. Thank you.